So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your boy Lucy Plug, and we're gonna go through what happened at the gold market on Thursday and on Friday. Before I say anything, I am not a financial advisor. I am not here to tell you what to do with your money or your investment. I am not here to tell you when to buy or when to sell. I am simply here documenting my journey and I am here to talk to my brother. So if you feel like you don't want to listen to me, just just go to something else. Um, we had quite a stagnant week, and if you are not very experienced in the markets, you won't really. It's going. It was going to really be a hard time for you to trade. So I don't know I don't know how you guys are going out there, but I hope you're going good. And anybody who feels like you are stuck or you don't know what you're doing, just relax. Relax. Take everything slowly and just realize that you are here. And that's the most important thing that you can do to yourself. Relax. Come back and just humble yourself and realize that everything is gonna work out. Okay? Everything's gonna work out, bro. I want us to quickly go through what happened from Monday to you can see Friday here. Monday 2nd February to Friday 6th. You can see that price closed that the market is not moving. Um you can see there it's not moving. Time for work. This market is closed. It will open in 4 hours and 30 minutes. So price close on Friday was 4964.620. We can see that we had hit all-time highs and quickly rebalanced to 4402.380. Don't ask me how I know that. You just go, just gonna be short, nigga. Yeah. Um, there are some things that I am also realizing when I am in these markets. Remember, I am not an expert. I'm just a student like you. I'm learning. All these things that I am saying here, I am not so good at them, but I try and understand them and I try and use them to my advantage. So I'm going to say what I feel here because I'm going to be real with you. Okay? We had this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. It's a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. What does that mean? We have a sell side volume imbalance and there was buy side inefficiency. That means no, there was, I didn't say buying pressure, I didn't say selling pressure, I didn't talk about support or resistance. What I'm talking about is sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. You can simply observe what I say here because I am not talking from my own made up things. I'm talking from things that are happening in the markets. Okay, so we have this sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. You must, when you're annotating these sell side imbalance, you have to use this volume imbalance too. This gap from, see this candle here where I closed this low 5097.215 and up to here the close of this candlestick 4661.055. That's your that's your special area. That's the market is gonna wanna use these. And that's a secret I'm saying, guys. The market is gonna wanna use these. So you have to have it in your mind that when the market is gonna go up, it's gonna use it as an inversion fair value gap. But when the market wants to deliver lower, it's not gonna wanna close its bodies past the consequent encroachment of this gap. What's the consequent encroachment? The the sen- the mid of that gap, the center of that gap, the mid level. All right. Um. So you can see that what I was gonna say is that when we have this delivery here, because the market has to use this one here, and it also has to decide whether it's gonna take out this liquidity. These at this point, you're gonna wanna use these when price just hits, just rebalances. You can see how it's rebalancing this gap here. You must be aware that it can deliver lower or it can go, but just immediately when you rebalance here is your chance to wait. You have to wait. That's why you don't trade every day. All right. So when you don't trade every day, um, because the market can use this imbalance to deliver lower, or it can use this imbalance as an inversion fair value gap to deliver higher for these stops here. Remember that we first look at liquidity here. You can see the sell side liquidity here and the buy side liquidity here. That's our main target. That's what we want. So the market can use this imbalance to get this here, or use it as an inversion fair value gap to trigger these stops here. Just be sure. Be sharp on that. Be sharp on that. So if you want to know what I'm gonna go through, because I said I was gonna go through from what happened from Monday to Friday, you can listen to my next video and I'm gonna quickly go through it. I'm just making this video as short as possible because there's those people who don't want long videos, and I suffered from that when I was watching Michael videos. And I know my brother is very lazy. I know my brother's lazy. We was watching a movie and he don't want to watch it. I mean, I also don't want to watch those movies, those longer movies. They're boring. I'll be predicting everything that's gonna happen on those movies. That's a fact. That's a fact, bro. That's a fact when you become when you start seeing these things, bro. Yeah. So listen to my next video, and you're gonna catch up with what I'm saying. Thank you. This is Lucy Plug.